Hello, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel, and I am back after a quite long hiatus. I'll get into that a little bit later, but for now let's just talk through what I'm using for this plan with me for the week of the 3rd to the 9th of December. I am using Christmas baking from Plannerface. It was a Christmas in July mystery kit, and I have lots of extras, including a foil bundle in red and green from Scribble Prints Co, and then I'm pulling in these mosaic circle underlays from my shop, and I don't remember what other extra. I've got some like extra green bits and things from Caress Press and other shops like that that I'm pulling in. Obviously we're using red and green foil. I layered the bougie boxes over the underlays, and I think that's kind of it for the base. So yeah, I am back after quite a little break really. It was much longer than I intended to take. I think I last posted a video back in March, and since then, long story short, is I've been focusing on my mental health, but now I am back. I think I am well enough to sort of start at least semi-regularly posting videos. We're going to try 2 a week, but for the full update on where I've been and what's been going on, check out Friday's video where I will be talking face to face with you about what's been going on. So yeah, that's the plan. The vague plan, just quickly, is that I'm going to hopefully post a plan with me on a Monday and a random other video on a Friday. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I am happy to announce that I am back on Plannerface PR team. I did take a break while I have not been posting, just because it wasn't fair to Anna to be on the team. I asked to step down so that I could, focus on my mental health, and I didn't feel like I was getting free stuff from Anna while I was doing nothing, because I wasn't really posting or anything. But I'm now back to Instagram posting and hopefully posting on here as well. So how these videos are gonna work, my plan with me, is, as you've noticed, this is a voiceover. It's been a long time since I've done voiceover videos regularly, but just because while my shop isn't open, I can't really justify paying someone to edit my videos. I am just speeding up Monday's videos and voicing them over. It's the easiest way to me, and it's a great way to get you content, and plus actually at the moment I'm enjoying voiceovered plan with me's more than I am talk throughs, because they tend to be a little bit more concise and a little bit more fun. How I am generally planning at the moment, I did take quite a long break from planning. I'm not actually as up to date as this spread makes me look. I am still back in October, I think, in my planning, but I am trying to catch up. So there's that. So I'm still making all my scripts and things, and actually there's no scripts that you won't see me put down the scripts in this spread, basically because I haven't made them yet. I've not designed them or made them yet. I'm back in June or July making scripts, I think, because I really didn't touch my planner from probably sometime in February to August. So there was a lot of catching up to do, and I'm still catching up on scripts. I've not actually put any in. Since May. I've got like a little stack that I need to put in, and that's one of the jobs I've got to do over the next couple of weeks, hopefully, and get this planner finished, because I love this planner. Like, it's been a rough year, but they're still pretty beautiful spreads, and that makes me happy. Oh yeah, I'm pulling in some overlays from my shop in Red Sparkle as well, just to sort of bring some more Christmassy elements into the overlays, and I really love how that came out. When I'm doing that, I do try and put a glossy overlay over the top if I'm generally using glossy overlays, because I don't like the mix of matte overlays and glossy overlays. It's not the business for me. So I thought I would start with about a month ago on uploading videos, so that I've got I've got a month to like film, edit, upload, all that kind of jazz. After the week has ended, well, not after the week has ended, because obviously this is the week of the 3rd and it's going up on the 1st. But it should give me like 3-4 weeks to do all of that. Should hopefully be plenty of time, because I want to keep this manageable and fun. That is my main goal, to keep, be manageable and fun, and actually enjoy YouTube, and not feel it's a chore again, because that's kind of where I got to. But that was partly my depression and anhedonia, but what can you do? So I'm still doing the base. My base is taking it forever. Oh, the other change that you might have noticed is I am putting down the base with, in fact, I put down most of the spread in the planner. The only thing I'll take it out for is doing my deco in the middle. That's basically because you can't do it because the coils at the round is in the way. but that's just, I don't know, that's what I'm enjoying and that's what I'm finding easiest at the moment, so that's what I'm doing. I am of course still colour blocking. Colour blocking is life. I try and use my least favourite colour for the Thursday, so it's the like pastel nude basically on this spread, because that ain't my business. I'm a bright girl. I'm a bright coloured girly. And so the other change you might have noticed at the beginning is I already had all my day extenders folded, and I am trying to do less day extenders. There's 3 in this spread. That's kind of acceptable. If you were watching my videos for a long time, you'll know I very rarely did boxes with just 2 days with just 2 boxes on the days, but I am trying to do more and more of that, and occasionally fit in 5 little things into a box. Here's me doing the deco. But the problem with that is then I run out of little things. It's not so bad with Plannerface kits, because with the box add-on you get extra little things, but like Scribble Prints Co, when I've only got 8 little things per colour and I'm using 5 of them in one box, I've only got 3 for the other day and the rest of that day, so I struggle a bit there, but I make it work. That's one of the ways I'm doing it. I'm trying to spot quickly whether I've done 5 things in any of the boxes. On here I don't think I have. I can't see any immediately. I think it's all just 4. 4 is my optimum in a box, but I will do 3. That's kind of, I do the maths. So basically I write down how many things I've got for a day, and then like calculate how many boxes I need, and then I see if it's like 9, I see if I've got like 5 things that can squidge into one box, to try and use less day extenders. But obviously I like to still use them because I like to get more of the full boxes in, because I am now using just a kit in one planner. I'm not like splitting it over my pre-planner and memory planner, just because how I'm planning. That's what works better for me at the moment. Plus I've got a shed load of kits. That's the problem. I was subscribed to 4 mystery kits for most of the time I wasn't planning, so I was getting like enough kits anyway, and then obviously some gorgeous art came out, so when I came back a little bit to planning I did go a bit ham in some Christmas in July sales and buy quite a bit of kits, mostly Plannerface, let's be real, because Plannerface is my be all and end all, and oh my god, have you seen she's doing die cuts and foil? Like, Anna is legitimately becoming a one-stop shop for literally everything you need. It's amazing. Full on love Plannerface, that's why I PR for her. Right, what I was going to say is how I am now doing these videos is I'm going to do the base sped up to, I'm hoping 5 times. We'll see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this the right speed? Is it too fast? Is it too slow? Let me know what you think. So I'm doing the base at 5 times speed, and then I actually put all of my boxes down before I put anything in. But I'll start talking through my days, so I'm about to move on to boxes now. And this is at 4 times speed, because I am slow. Despite the fact I'm literally just putting boxes in, I am still slow. But yeah, so I've got this at 4 times speed, and then the actual putting down of stickers is at 1.5, which makes me have about a 20-minute video, which I feel like is right for a plan with me, but you never know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do I have anything else to say? I don't really think I do. I'm still doing my sidebar in the same way, the best bits, and then highlight of the week and some currently boxes. What's going to change in the new year is I'm going to get rid of the best bits box and have another full box in the sidebar. I just think that's going to work better for me. That's kind of all I have to say. So I might start talking through the day by day. I don't know though. Feels a bit like early, but then I'm not going to have that. It's like, what? Well, to be fair, there's quite a long time to talk about the day by day when it comes up, and this time I've already recorded this voiceover once, but there was loads of dropouts, so I had to re-record it, and it was about 6 days later, and to be honest, I'm feeling a bit croaky, so I'm sorry if my voice is a bit croaky. Typical. My first video back, I'm like, can't talk. I've actually got a cup of warm milk and honey in front of me, which I'd never had, I'd never had warm milk and honey. As a kid, whenever I had a cold, it was always honey and lemon, but my husband asked me if I wanted warm milk and honey, and I was like, that sounds weird, but I'll give it a go. And it's actually like chef's kiss. I don't know whether it's like, my husband's Indian, so I don't know whether it's like an Indian thing, because they do love milk, to do honey and milk, but it is chef's kiss. I fully recommend if you've got a sore throat or a blocked nose. It's 100 times better than honey and lemon. It's tastier in my opinion. I know lots of people don't like milk, cow juice, whatever you want to call it, but yeah. Oh, also, I'm having nice nails. Hopefully you've noticed my beautiful nails in the video. They're like a gemstone marbly pattern, and they are beautiful. My friend Tash owns Charmeleon Claws, and does beautiful, beautiful press-ons. Because I'm off work at the moment still with my depression, I am able to wear press-ons, and I'm hoping like when I do go back I can just use stickers for them, and as in like nail stickers, and just have them on for the weekend for filming and stuff, so I will always have nice nails, which is super exciting. I love having nice nails, but I can't have them for work, and I have to keep my nails relatively short for work. Though we discovered I have super long nail beds. Really random tangent here I'm going off on, but yeah. So I don't even know what my point was. So I'm wearing extra short nails. Chameleon Claws. Go check her out. Absolutely stunning. I will try and remember to link it in the comments down below, but I'm going to be real. Not sure whether I will. I'm terrible at remembering that sort of thing. Yeah. Okay. I think I am at this point. Going to move on to the day by day, shall I? No, it's still like 9 minutes. There's like 9 minutes left to go through the day by day. I don't even know what I'm going to ramble about. Let me know down below. What do you want me to ramble about in these voiceovers? Do you want me to do like Genjoy plans and do some tags? Do you want me just to ramble about whatever's on my mind, which is essentially what's going on today? You've just got the best of my rambles. Or do you want me to talk about the week, if anything exciting happened? But I'm sitting here looking at this week like, oh, my weeks are boring at the moment because I'm not very well still. I did decorate my Christmas tree this week, which we don't even normally own our Christmas tree by this point, because we get a real tree, but this year we got it early and I was obsessed, and I am definitely like, I was in the Christmas spirit. It's the 28th today when I'm filming this, recording this voiceover. I was so in the Christmas spirit this year in a way that I've not been in several years, and we've had a few crap Christmases. Like, there's been some shit going on at Christmas for the last few years, so I was terrified something was going to go wrong this year, but like, touch wood, it's the 28th and nothing horrendous has happened yet. But yeah, so I've just not been in the Christmas spirit the last few years, but this year I properly was, and it was great. We're actually celebrating Christmas again tomorrow because my sister was at her sister-in-law's for Christmas Day. Anyway, I am basically on the day by day now, so I am going to start talking through things, partly because I also have to remember what things are for, because I don't have the scripts in yet. It's like ages since I filmed this video and I still haven't got the scripts in, but that's fine. I will get them in at some point. I mean, I've not put in May's scripts, so are we really expecting me to have December's in? Because I don't. Right. So, on Monday, the first thing I am marking is that it is 3 weeks till Christmas. It's obviously past Christmas by now, but yeah. And then I think I put it'll be either staying in bed or having a lie-in or waking up early. I can't remember. Then I'm popping in or washing my hair. I wasn't having a good brain day at all, so just marking that I was in my feelings. Then we were organising some clothes, both here and at my parents' house. Essentially, we did charity bags for our guide unit, so we were organising through all of our clothes. And then I sorted out the addresses for our Christmas cards. So I was just like checking everyone's. We have address labels formatted in a Word document. It's a lifesaver, honestly. So I was just checking they were all up to date and things with that. And then I took a load of photos for Instagram. It was then time for Rangers. I am trying to get back to my guiding. I'm not going every week reliably at the moment, but yeah. And then some bullshit happened at Rangers that I'm not going to go into, but that's kind of the next couple of boxes. And then the last thing I marked is watching Boba Fett. I decided to use Mandalorian stickers, Baby Yoda, Grogu stickers for Boba Fett, because he is in the later episodes, which are the better episodes in my opinion. Okay, on to Tuesday. I think I was marking in finishing off or like boxing up the planners. I'm not quite certain which. I did do a planner pre-order. If you didn't see that, I'm sorry. I will be back at some point to carry on with that. Then I was getting stressed out because something wasn't working. I don't remember what. Did some script designing, and then I've got another laptop. I have no idea what that laptop's for. I should have my memory notes here, shouldn't I? That would be sensible, but I don't. So we're going with it. The first time I recorded this voiceover, I didn't have my planner in front of me, but I had the notes. So eventually I'll remember I need both. Then I have a heart, which I don't really know what's for either. Something. I'm sorry, I can't remember. Then I did my Harry Potter group read. I've been group reading Harry Potter with some planner friends. I should be finishing it in the next couple of days. Deathly Hallows. Then did some packing with my mum for something. I don't remember what. And then played some solitaire, I believe. on to Wednesday, I was really drained and low energy. Did some more clothes organising and some designing of scripts. Played Crash Bandicoot with my husband. Crash Bandicoot is a fantastic game. It's like proper old school and it's so freaking hard. I did not remember it being this hard when I was younger. Let me know if you've played it recently down below. And yeah. Then I think I was wrapping some Christmas gifts because I was actually ready. Oh no, I was organising gifts. Then I did some stickering of my planner. I think I was memory planning, watching Boba Fett, and did some journaling, I think. As I said, I'm kind of making this up as I go along because I don't quite remember. On to Thursday, I was playing solitaire. I did a lot of playing solitaire in the last 6 months on my phone. I've kind of fallen off a little bit. I should catch back up with this year. But yeah, just doing that. Then I had a shower. I am marking in my showers because of how bad my self-care has been over the last 6 months. Like, the fact that I'm showering every other day is amazing. So that's why they're getting marked in. One of these wasn't a shower day because I took a shower 2 days in a row because I'm going to mark it on Friday as well. But I must have had bad night sweats overnight. But anyway, then I was writing Christmas cards. I was feeling pretty crappy, so that was in my feelings. Did some Harry Potter reading, and then the OT came around and we were doing some goal setting stuff. I am seeing an occupational therapist at the moment to help me try and get back to my life, and including this video is one of the goals she has set me to do. So then I did some script designing, and I think I started trying to edit some photos for Instagram. Don't really remember, not gonna lie, can't remember. Did something for Instagram, and then I was feeling dissociated and sad, so I kind of gave up on the rest of the day. I'm not sleeping very well, and in the evenings I either am proper on it and still doing things, or I'm like completely zoned out and dissociating. It's not fun. On the 7th I had a shower. I drove into York, which was a big achievement for me. I am hating driving. It's making me really, really anxious and want to cry every time I get behind the wheel. But I managed, and then I had a gynae appointment. It was about pain I used to have. I've not had it since I had my implant out in February, but I was referred like over 18 months ago, so there's that. So I was just marking that the appointment was fine. Then wrote some Christmas cards when I got home. Worked on designing some scripts, did some Harry Potter reading, and I love how that is this script that I'm putting down in that little box looks. It is chef's kiss in my opinion. That little broomstick being across the box. I'm here for it. And then I marked in Boba Fett. I'm pretty sure we finished Boba Fett the next week, but I can't quite remember. Then Saturday I'm gonna be a bit cagey about, not for any real reason, but just in case you have kids around. It was a non-PG day, and I marked that in a few times, but let's just leave it as that. Wrote some Christmas cards in between the non-PG times. Did some Harry Potter reading. I've got a camera there. I don't quite know what the camera is for. Possibly doing some more like trying. I tried to edit on Instagram on the Monday, so maybe I just like was writing some Instagram captions. Don't really remember. Went for a walk. I am trying to do like 6,000 steps a day because otherwise I sit and I do nothing. That has been very gradually increased from like 0 while I was in hospital back in May. But yeah, I'm kind of managing. Some days I'm managing 6,000. I've kind of been up on it this week because it's the week between Christmas and New Year, and fuck that. Then we'd brought ourselves a new Christmas tree. To us, Christmas tree, it was meant to be brand new, but it clearly wasn't. It was an artificial tree. It was a £5. I can't complain. But it needed some repairs. We were going to decorate the tree, but it needed so much repair. We just like repaired the tree. So there's that. Then we had a date night. We used to get box 42 when that was a subscription, and we had one of their boxes to do, so we did the Frozen box. Honestly, it wasn't the best. We had some really great boxes from them, and we still got a few to do, but that one was a bit shit, to be honest. So we had a date night doing that, and then we had some more adult time. Moving on to Sunday, I was in my feelings, so I stayed in bed. When I eventually got up, I did finally take a shower. Then I had a surprise lunch with my friend Adam. He just like texted me like, I'm coming to Pocklington, I'm taking you out for lunch. I was like, okay, sure. Then I don't know what the next bit's for, but then we decorated our Christmas tree. I did some planning and we watched Boba Fett, and that is it for the week. So here are my leftovers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this first video back. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back really soon. Bye!